We all have the need to redirect and reconnect with the world around us, to be exposed to a different set of current events. New Hampshire's Upper Valley offers you its rolling hills, pristine woods, and country settings that will relax and recharge your soul. No matter the season, you will find a place to challenge yourself, embrace nature, and just reflect on the beauty around you.
The Upper Valley is just alive with outdoor recreation. There's so much to do around here, from mountain biking, hiking, swimming. Pretty much, you can go in the Connecticut, you can go in a pond, in a lake. The water is always so warm in the summer.
The Upper Valley is the place where skiers are born. Our world-class slopes meet you where your skills are. The Upper Valley has launched the careers of many an Olympian and many, many more avid snowboarders and skiers who all love what our winters have to offer.
I think there's a different vibe to the skiing in the Upper Valley, whether you're at Whaleback or the Dartmouth Skiway or Storrs Hill. I mean, we all have great options for folks. It's a small town feel in a lot of ways, but with some big skiing. You can be comfortable with letting your kids loose on each of the mountains in the Upper Valley, knowing that they're safe, but they're also gonna have fun, and they all end up at the same spot, so you're never gonna lose anyone. And then from the more advanced skier, there's a lot of great terrain in the Upper Valley where you can, on a great powder day, I'll speak for Whaleback, but there's not many better places within the state of New Hampshire that has the steeps and the trees that Whaleback offers when there's great conditions.
Those who would venture out can find so much more in the Upper Valley. Our mountains and rolling hills reveal themselves to those who seek them with 57 miles of reclaimed trails. You can ride, hike, or run through historic villages along beautiful lakes and woods.
The rail trail I really enjoy to bike on, especially with my family. It's super accessible. We can enter it in Lebanon, we can go out to Enfield. There's different spots along the way where we can swim.
Free-form fun is waiting for you in the Upper Valley, by the lake, by the fire, and by your friends and family. Every season offers a new way to enjoy New Hampshire. Things are always changing in great ways here in the Upper Valley. To find out more, click on any of the links below to start your own great outdoor adventure.